Welcome once again. This is Ashuri TV. Today we are going to show you how to replace this Samsung 40 inches screen with adapter of this socket. You see, these are the adapters that convert that LVDS cables. You see, this is changed from Samsung to LG. You see that Samsung to LG. You see, this port is different to this one, and the voltage also are in different position. You see, this is the broken screen. This is a new screen that we are going to replace. The first one, the broken one, is Samsung, while this one is LG. That's why we need to use this socket and the power, the voltage are in different positions. See, for Samsung the voltage are in this side, while for LG we need these ports or this adapter to change from Samsung to LG. You see that we connect this adapter in order to link the LG screen with a Samsung motherboard. You see that our screen, even if it's LG, is displayed to Samsung TV. You see that is working. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe on Ashuri TV. Thank you so much.